Exercise 5.1 Question 3 For the following APS write the first term and the common difference। नीचे लिखे गए अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के लिए फर्स्ट टर्म पहला पद और कॉमन डिफरेंस लिखना है। नंबर 1 3 1 -1 -3 एंड सो ऑन। फर्स्ट टर्म इज 3। कॉमन डिफरेंस D is equal to second term minus first term A2 minus A1 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Number 2 minus 5 minus 1 3 7 and so on. First term is minus 5. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 minus A1 is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. Answer first term A is equal to minus 5. Common difference D is equal to 4. Number 3 1 by 3 5 by 3 9 by 3 13 by 3 and so on. First term A is 1 by 3. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3 5 minus 1 5 minus 1 by 3 4 by 3. Answer A is equal to 1 by 3. Common difference D is equal to 4 by 3. Number 4 0.6 comma 1.7 comma 2.8 comma 3.9 and so on. First term A is equal to 0.6. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. Answer first term is 0.6. Common difference is 1.1. Question 4 Which of the following are APS? नीचे लिखे गए में से कौन कौन से APS में हैं? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. यदि वे AP में हैं, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में हैं, तो उनका कॉमन डिफरेंस सार्वंतर D लिखिए और आगे के 3 पदों को लिखिए। नंबर 1 2 4 8 16. Here first term A1 is equal to 2. Second term A2 is equal to 4. The difference is A2 minus A1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 is 8, A2 is 4, 4. Since these two differences are not equal, therefore this is not in AP. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore 2 4 8 16 is not AP. Number 2 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 to the 4 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. A3 minus A2 3 minus 5 by 2 2 3 are 6 minus 5 by 2 1 by 2. A4 minus A3 7 by 2 minus 3 7 minus 2 3 are 6 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. These are equal. Difference between two consecutive terms are equal, therefore it is in AP. Number 3 minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 so on. Here A2 minus A1 minus 3.2 minus 1.2 minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is equal to minus 2. Now A3 minus A2 minus 5.2 minus 3.2 is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is equal to minus 2. A4 minus A3 minus 7.2 minus 5.2 is equal to minus 7.2 minus 5.2 is equal to minus 2. These differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. It is in AP. Common difference is D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 2. Three more terms are minus 7.2 plus minus 2, minus 7.2 minus 7.2 minus 2 is equal to minus 9.2. A6 is equal to minus 9.2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 11.2. A7R minus 11.2 plus minus 2 minus 13.2. Second part, it is in AP, therefore we have to find three more terms. Three more terms are A5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. A6 is equal to 4 plus common difference 4 and 1 by 2. A7 is equal to 4 and 1 by 2 plus common difference 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Answer. Three more terms are 4, 4 and a half and 5. Number 4, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. A3 minus A2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. All these differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 4. Three more terms are A5 is equal to fourth term 2 plus common difference 4, 6. A6 A5 plus common difference 6 plus 4, 10. A7 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Answer. Three more terms are 6, 10, 14. Number 5, 3 plus root 2, comma 3 plus 2 root 2, comma 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Here A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is equal to root 2. A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 is equal to 3 minus 3 cancel, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. A4 minus A3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. All these differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to root 2. 3 more terms are a5 is equal to a4 plus common difference a4 3 plus 3 root 2 plus common difference root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. a6 is equal to इसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड कर दिया 3 प्लस 5 रूट 2. a7 3 प्लस 5 रूट 2 में कॉमन डिफरेंस रूट 2 ऐड कर दिया 3 प्लस 6 रूट 2. आंसर 3 more terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Number 6 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.02. a3 minus a2 0.222 minus 0.22 is equal to 0.002. This difference is not equal, therefore it is not in AP. Seventh 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 4 minus 0 minus 4, a3 minus a2 minus 8 minus minus 4, minus 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 4, a4 minus a3, a4 minus 12 minus a3 is minus 8, minus 12 plus 8 minus 4. All these differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. Common difference D is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 4. 3 more terms are a5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference minus 4 is equal to minus 12 minus 4 is equal to minus 16. a6 is equal to minus 16 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 20. a7 is equal to minus 20 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 24. Answer 3 more terms are minus 16 minus 20 minus 24. Number 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, a3 minus a2 is equal to 0, a4 minus a3 equal to 0. Since all differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. 3 more terms are minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Common difference is 0, therefore adding 0 we get the same number. Ninth 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, a3 minus a2 is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. A4 minus A3 is equal to 27 minus 9, 18. These are not equal, therefore it is not in AP. Number 10th, A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. Here second term minus first term, 2A minus A is equal to A, A3 minus A2, 3A minus 2A, A4 minus A3, 4A minus 3A is equal to A. All the dimensions are equal, therefore it is in AP. 3 more terms are common difference D is equal to A, A2 minus A1, A. 3 more terms are 4A plus A, 4A plus A plus A, 4A plus A plus A plus A, 5A, 6A, 7A. 11th, A square, A cube, A4 and so on. Here A2 minus A1, A square minus A, A3 minus A2, A cube minus A square. These are not equal, therefore it is not in AP. Number 12, root 2, comma, root 8, comma, root 18, comma, root 32. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to root 8 minus root 2 is equal to root 8 को लिख सकते हैं 2 root 2 because 8 can be written as 4 into 2 minus root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 minus root is equal to root 2. A3 minus A2 root 18 minus root 8. रूट 18 को सकते हैं 9 into 2, 9 का इसको रूट 3, 3 root 2 माइनस 8 को लिख सकते हैं 4 into 2, 4 का इसको रूट 2, रूट 2, रूट 2, A4 माइनस A3 रूट 32 माइनस रूट 18, 32 को लिख सकते हैं 16 into 2, 16 का इसको रूट 4, 4 रूट 2 माइनस 3 root 2 is equal to root 2. Common difference is it is in AP. These differences are equal, therefore it is in AP. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to root 2. 3 more terms are A5 is equal to A4 में रूट 2 ऐड कर दिया, 32 लिख सकते हैं 4 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2, ये 5 रूट 2, A6 इज इक्वल टू 5 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2, 6 रूट 2, A7 6 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2, 7 रूट 2. आंसर 3 more terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. Number 13, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3 is equal to it cannot be simplified. A3 minus 2 is equal to root 9 minus root 3 minus root 6, a4 minus a3, root 12 minus root 9. Root 12 को 4 into 3, 2 root 3 minus 3. These are not equal, therefore it is not in AP. (14) 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to 3 square minus 1 square, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. a3 minus a2, 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. These are not equal, therefore it is not in AP. (15th) 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73, and so on. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to 5 square minus 1 square, 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. a3 minus a2, 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. a4 minus a3, 73 minus 7 square, 73 minus 49 is equal to 24. These are equal, therefore it is in AP. Common difference D is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 24. 3 more terms are a5 is equal to 73 में कॉमन डिफरेंस 8 कर दिया, 24 8 कर दिया, 97. a6 97 में 24 8 कर दिया, कॉमन डिफरेंस 121. a7 is equal to 121 plus 24 is equal to 145. Answer: 3 more terms are 97, 121 and 145.